Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where today, I'm about to take you inside one of the most jaw-dropping vehicles you've ever seen. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome worth a staggering $3 million. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling palace. And what's hidden inside will completely change the way you look at travel. From the outside, it already looks like a futuristic mansion on wheels. But step inside, and you're greeted with pure luxury. We're talking handcrafted. Leather interiors, golden accents, and mood-lit panels that make it feel more like a 7-star hotel than an RV. The living room? It's bigger than most city apartments, featuring a cinema-style entertainment system, a massive 4K smart TV, and recliners that massage and heat at the touch of a button. But it gets better. The kitchen rivals a high-end penthouse suite, with a full-size refrigerator, induction stove, marble countertops, and even a wine cellar on board. Imagine cooking a gourmet dinner while parked on the edge of a mountain or by a beach sunset. The bedroom feels like a master suite. A king-size bed with memory foam, smart climate control, and panoramic windows that bring nature right to you. And yes, there's even a walk-in closet, something you rarely see in motorhomes. Now the bathroom, this will blow your mind. A rainfall shower, heated floors, luxury vanity mirrors, and even a jacuzzi-style tub. This is pure spa-level comfort on the road, and it doesn't stop there. This motorhome also includes voice-activated, smart controls, solar panels, a private rooftop lounge, and even a hidden garage for your luxury car or motorcycle. This isn't just traveling, this is traveling like royalty. The 2026 $3 million luxury motorhome is designed for those who want their adventure without giving up an ounce of comfort or extravagance. So what do you think? Is this the future of luxury travel or just an impossible dream? Stick around, because here at Auto Plus, I'll keep bringing you the wildest, most futuristic rides on Earth.